Hello, it's me Zero, and this video is about the Nell conjecture. To be clear, I did create this conjecture, but that's not my last name. Maybe if I grow in popularity, I'll rename it to my actual last name. But for now, I'm not. Anyways, the Nell conjecture is basically the idea that if you take a list of primes like this one, and then take the absolute value of a prime and its neighbor and put it in between, and do that for the whole row. But first, the first one's going to be 1, so will the seconds, and just run down the line like I said. Next, just do that again for the next row, put it above. And then do it a bunch more. And finally, you can just do it a few more times to top it off. You can end up with a triangle, and has some weird properties which I'll discuss in a moment. However, the main weird thing is that if you take a look at this left diagonal, it's going to take the repeated pattern of 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, on and on forever, alternating ones and zeros. At least for the first 100,000 primes that I computed. And that's the conjecture, is that for all primes, with this operation iterated forever, the diagonal must be that sequence. Another cool fact is that if you color the areas where the value is 0, you're going to get these cool looking triangles like this. And as you can see, as you travel further from the prime line, they can get quite common and quite large. It's really not that complex.